Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini omelette. And these are the ingredients you need. 1 zucchini, this is less than a pound. And 2 eggs, 1 clove of garlic, 1 small onion, oil, salt, and black pepper. Okay, I'm going to wash the zucchini. And then cut it into thin slice like this. Not too thin, but like 1/2 centimeter. Not too thin. And then you do it like this. Stack it and then just do the rest of the zucchini, same thing. Do like this and then shred. Washing the onion makes it not as stinging your eyes, okay? That's what it is. And then I'm going to chop it into slice. The egg, crack it in a bowl first. Okay, and then we can cook. I'm cooking in medium heat. I'm going to add in some oil, about a tablespoon of oil to put in the onion. Cook the onion until the smell comes out before I add in anything else. Okay, the aroma in the onion comes out. So now I'm adding in the garlic. Wait until the garlic smell comes out too. I'm going to pour in the zucchini. I'm adding in a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Pepper, it's to your preference, but I'm only adding a little bit, okay? And then mix it. Now you spread everything out. Evenly. Try to do it evenly. Add in the egg. And then moving your pot. Okay? The egg has covered the zucchini. And now you cover for 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes has gone by. And this is what it looks like. And then now I'm going to put in my 12-inch plate, and then you just turn it over. And now this side you go back in. Okay, another minute has gone by, so total of 3 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Shake it a little. Then put the plate, same thing. Back to the thing, turn it over. Oops. There you go, it's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.